So I think a business person, somebody who's not, not in software development, is not a technical person. They're out there, right? These are generally smart people. They're using other types of software. They see what's possible. Maybe they're trying to use vendor tools already. They've got some tools and it just doesn't fit. They realize whatever they're trying to do, they really want it to be tailored to the way their business works. So what the business person perceives is, I have something, some type of process, some type of system, some type of need that can benefit from heavy automation, can benefit from the types of things that computers can do well, number crunching and presentation and processing of large amounts of data. Those are the things that computers do well. We've had a number of customers say something like, prospects and customers say something like, I've got this process, I've got 4 shifts, I've got multiple managers in each shift, and each manager starts the first 2.5 hours of their day by processing data from various places, getting it all in this spreadsheet, and then submitting those reports, which ultimately give them the process numbers and the projections for the day and help them understand how to run their team and run their machines. Well, by that time, you've got 2.5 hours gone out of 4 relatively high paid individuals' time, and they're essentially doing what computers can do. Well, if you're running in a specific manufacturing environment, the one that I'm thinking of, it's a pretty custom process. You're using different tools. You've got multiple systems to pull from. Some of those are industry standard, but the other ones are access databases and such that have been built up over time. And that's where you're getting all this data. And the spreadsheet that you want, that's not industry standard. That's just the spreadsheet that that your plant has decided that they're going to use to manage the KPIs that the company has, company-wide, and this is how you're going to present it and manage it. And so there's just a sense of, I've got people doing things that computers can do. If I had somebody to build an application or a process to manage that data or manage that need, instead of spending 2.5 hours, every manager spending 2.5 hours at the beginning of every shift, 4 shifts a week, I would be able to let those managers come in, hit a button, export the Excel report, and then get on with actually managing their people and managing their production. So that's just one example of when custom software might be needed. A really good indicator is, I've got a solution in Excel or I've got a solution in Access, and it's working or it's kind of working, but I just need it to be more reliable, more robust. I need it to perform better. I need it to scale to more people. And that's usually a good indication that custom software is a solution at that point.